Are you a creator that loves adventures? Hey guys, I'm Alex from Asus, and this is the Asus ProArt GoPro Edition. Our ProArt series laptops are designed for creation no matter where you are. But the 13-inch ProArt GoPro Edition laptop takes this to the next level with a rugged design and military-grade durability. This laptop can handle shocks, vibrations, extreme temperatures, anything you can encounter while shooting or editing in extreme environments. You even get a hard case sleeve with straps and additional storage with your purchase. The 360-degree hinge and intuitive dial pad allows you to switch between different modes and positions depending on your environment. The dedicated GoPro hotkey allows you to instantly import and start editing your footage. The ProArt GoPro Edition comes with an AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus processor, Radeon graphics, and 128 GB of unified RAM. And together with the stunning OLED display, it delivers accurate colors and details even outdoors. So, if you need a durable, powerful, and portable laptop for your adventures, look no further than the ProArt GoPro Edition. For more information, check out asus.com.